Congratulations to the all participants for completing the quarter 1 submissions successfully. Now we are into the quarter 2, and for the quarter 2 you will need to go in the deeper decisions of the marketing domain. So if you go through the tabs given on the left side, you will find now you have the deeper understanding of the marketing domain through these tabs. First tab is all about how to manage your brand. So when you go into the brand management, you need to understand the customer needs. On the basis of the customer needs identified by your team, you need to design a brand accordingly. Okay, so you can design the brand here and then just there would be a modify button given at the bottom. After designing the brand, you just click the modify and your brand would be built. Then you go to the pricing tab. Pricing is always been a very important aspect for the success of the firm. So pricing decisions should be taken on the basis of the research done. So you must go through this kind of information given in the lecture and then the workspace. What are the pricing limits or the range on the customer side? And then before deciding upon the pricing, you need to understand the cost of production. So these two things are very essential and crucial for the success of a business. So you need to understand pricing and the cost of production, and then need to give the pricing priority. You can build more than 1, 2, 3 brands, whatever you prefer to, as per the cash flows or the capital available to you. After giving the priority to the pricing, you need to move on to the advertising. And under the advertising, you would be having detailed information about design an ad. You can go there and design your ad for each brand, whatever you wish. There would be a cost involved for designing the move to the media placement, because after designing the brand, a marketer needs to convey the message to the right segment of the customer through the right channel of the marketing. You need to place the advertisements in the right category of the media placements, and then you need to check the ad claims, because when you commit customer, you need to fulfill the commitment. So whatever ad claims you give in the advertisement, those need to be fulfilled. Otherwise, there would be a loss of brand image. And then you need to set the sales channel. For this, you need to hire the salespeople. You need to analyze the market potential, and then you need to open one store as per the cost given for opening each store. If you go to the different international locations, the cost may vary as per the country and the property rates in that particular country. And then finally you move to the summary of the decisions, and you must go through this tab so that to make sure you haven't missed any important decision. After going through the summary of decisions, then you need to again click the final check button. If there is no warning, then you are in a better position to submit the results. And when you click the submission, and you move to the quarter 3.